Hello everyone, I made this digital collage about the types of forest. I choose forest because they have a great contribution on Earth. They have a big help on every living species and us humans too. Forest is a great biodiversity because it is a home. It refers to all forms of life. Lots of things can be found in forest, including plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms under rules of nature. So now, about my design. In my background, I chose this color blue, watery one, because it represents how important water is for the forest to live. Also, every living creature in forest like animals needs water. So the first forest I had here is the tropical forest. Tropical forests are canopy forests, growing within 28 degrees north or south of the equator. They are very wet places, receiving more than 200 cm rainfall per year. Temperatures are uniformly high between 20 degrees to 35 degrees. Tropical forests occur of the areas where there is no dry season and has at least 60 mm of precipitation. Tropical forests cover less than 3% of the Earth's area, yet they are home to more than half our planet's terrestrial species. Its benefit to us is tropical. Forests regulate global temperature and the net carbon emitters. Also, this forest has a big essential role in maintaining Earth's limited supply of fresh water. In the second picture, these are the animals living on tropical forests. But sadly, many of these species are on the brink of extinction. Animals has important roles too. They maintain the balance of marvelously yet efficient but delicate rainforest ecosystem. Tropical forest also has a variety of plants. Some of the plants are used in some of the world's most life-saving medicine. And in the third picture is my example of a kind of plant that can be found there. Its name is Rafflesia. Its buds are known to be used as to stop internal bleeding and shrink the womb of a woman after childbirth. It is used as a traditional medicine. So the second is boreal forest. This forest has full of deciduous trees and conifers. Boreal forests cover vast expanses in Canada, Alaska, and Russia. Like all forests, it also absorbs carbon dioxide, a main contributor to global warming and climate change, removing it from the atmosphere and helping keep entire planet healthy. In the second picture, represents the kind of animals that lives in this kind of forest. Boreal shelters more than 85 species of mammals, including some of the largest and majestic wood bison, elk, moose, woodland caribou, grizzly, and black bears, wolves, and smaller species such as beavers, snowshoe, hares, Canada lynx, red squirrels, lemmings, and voles. In the third picture is one of plants that boreal has. I choose this plant called foxglove because it's pleasurable to the eyes and also it has medicinal benefits. Foxglove plant is used for congestive heart failure and relieving associated fluid retention or edema, irregular heartbeat, including atrial fibrillation and flutter asthma, epilepsy, tuberculosis, constipation, headache, and spasms. It is also used to cause vomiting and healing of wounds and burns. Chemical that foxgloves contains is used to make medicines like digoxin. Digoxin used to treat heart failure. This plant has so many benefits, but most part of the plants are poisonous, so it's not safe to have self-medication using this plant. The third forest is temperate forest. It is mostly found between the tropical and boreal regions, located to the temperate zone. It is the second largest biome on the planet, covering 25% of the world's forests are only behind the boreal forest, which covers about 33%. Temperate forests are globally important and unique. They host the largest and oldest organisms of the world. They serve as the major source of timber in the world. Wood products in the perhaps the only forest with some proven potential sustainable management. The second picture represents the kind of animals living in this forest. Some of these are black bears, mountain lions, deer, fox, squirrels, skunks, rabbits, porcupines, timber wolves, and many more. These animals have to adapt to changing seasons. They are able to cope cold winters and hot summers, but some animals hibernate or migrate during winter to escape the cold. The last picture is the plant I choose. Its name is fireweed. It came from the temperate forest. This plant has medicinal use also. It is used for pain, swelling or inflammation, fevers, tumors, wounds, and enlarged prostate, benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is also used as astringent and tonic. So that's all. These all forests are very important in our planet and as humans because forests are so much more than a collection of trees. Forests are a home to 80% of the world's terrestrial biodiversity. The ecosystems are complex, plant organisms that include plants, animals, fungi, and bacteria. And that is my collage all about. Thank you, and I hope it gives everyone some knowledge about forests.